I know you've been using Google all the time for your personal things, but do you ever know you can use the same tool to generate income? And that is what today's video is about. I will show you how you can be making money, about $1,000 or even more than that, through Google. So be with me to the end of today's tutorial. If you haven't subscribed already to the channel, do want to hit on the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell to get you notified whenever a new video is uploaded here. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's tutorial. As I've already told you, the first ever website that I'm going to use here is google.com. Today we are going to use two websites. One is Google and I will show you the other one pretty soon. So open up google.com and then leave it as I've left mine here, as you can see, and then log on to this website over here, MindSumo.com. MindSumo.com. Okay, this website right here. This website helps business owners to grow by having answers from innovators or from problem solvers. Okay, so one company can provide a question that the person or the company might be needing answers or might be needing solution to such problem, and any other person who has knowledge about the problem will also come to the website to provide the answer to the company for them to get paid. That is the purpose of this website called MindSumo.com. So we are coming to sign up as problem solvers, so we can be solving companies' problem. Alright, I'll show you some of the questions that this website will be asking you. We are going to have all the answers from Google. I don't know their personal reason why they can't just go to Google to search whatever that they are looking for, but we want to ask people like us to provide them the solutions. Okay, so we would just be smart, go to Google, copy and then paste the answers that they are looking for, and then they get us paid. So that is basically about this website. So when you come here, you can read more about the website. This website here is working with all these top brands over here that you can see, and you can see all these ones including Microsoft, Yahoo, Johnson and Johnson, Amazon. Okay, all these platforms are working with MindSumo website. So this website sounds so legit that you can be making huge sum of money from here. Alright, just follow the video step by step with no step skipping, and by the end of the video you will see a value from it. Okay, so this is how everything looks like. Alright, they will be placing a question over here for solution like this one, which says help us create a new meal solution that mixes non-perishable and fresh elements. Okay, and they are awarding $1,600 to those who will be providing answers to this question. Okay, and this one right here too, they are awarding $800. All right, so you can just go copy this answer, go to Google, and then you'll be having answers for it. I'll show you how to do that very soon. Okay, all right, so this one is under review, you can contribute, and these ones are the completed ones over here. When it comes to the filter aspect, you can see they've categorized everything over here as in business, engineering, computer science, food science, math and sciences, humanities and arts, and others. Alright, so the one that you think you'll be having answers to or you are interested to work with, just click on that particular subject or particular category and go into it to see the available offers. So as you are here, the first ever thing that you need to do is to sign up for fresh account if you haven't signed up already. So click on this one right here that says login / sign up. Okay, so click on it here, you'll be redirected to this page. Just click on don't have an account, this one, click on it and you'll be redirected here. Here too, you'll be asked to provide your username, your first name, your last name, your location, so you put your country right here, your email is needed, you provide a password you want to use, your birthday is needed over here, gender, you choose your gender, and then here is where I want you to take very quick notes over here. The creativity aspect, just click on it, the drop down for it to be opened, and then choose average proficiency. Here to the same when it comes to the marketing skills, choose average proficiency, and then technical skills as well, choose average proficiency. Why are you interested in using MindSumo? Okay, so put this one right here. I prepared this one for you because it's better to train your mind by searching for something or just answering something. Okay, this one is okay. And then this question right here is also asking you, what types of project are you most interested in solving? Okay, you can say I'm interested in many things. Yes, it's going to help you a lot. Okay, here is ask of your personal names and then your personal reference name and then personal reference email. Okay, so put up in any username over here, any name at all that you wish, any name at all that you want to use it over there. You can use the email that you used over here. You can use the same email, or if you have another email too, you can use that one and then you go forward. Okay, you can choose not to tick these 3 boxes here because they'll be sending you messages that will not be relevant to you. Okay, so you can leave them as they are and then tick these 3. Okay, tick these 3. Make sure that you are not a robot, so you tick I'm not a robot. Mountains or hills. Okay, this one is a mountain, this one is mountain, this one is mountain. I think it's okay. Okay, yes, I'm right. Alright, so after everything is okay, then you click on sign up. You will be signed up successfully. So after you are signed up, just come back or log in and you'll be seeing the exact thing that I'm seeing over here. Okay, so click on any of the projects. As I told you already, you can look into the categories and then click on them and you'll be seeing any of the projects available in each of the categories. Okay, so for example, if this one is what I'm seeing or what I want to answer, the question that I want to answer, I'll just click on it like this. Okay, when it is opened, just copy the question that you're asking you, what they want you to do. Just copy it. Okay, copy. All right, and go back to Google. It's going to give us the answer that will be providing us a lot of money. All right, so just paste the question over here and then search. Boom. So take time and look into the results. Okay, you can open some of them one by one. Okay, and look into the result that they are providing you. If you find value in the solution that they are giving from the question that you ask, then copy that content and send it to this company and you are going to get paid for it. Okay, so have you seen here? I have an idea. Start drafting. So you can just click on here, I have an idea, and you start providing the answer to them. Okay, by just copying and then pasting. All right, are you there with me? Okay, so just copy. I'm not saying you should come and copy this one. I have not read it and I don't know. So make sure you provide a very legit answer, a very reasonable answer to their question that they are asking you. Okay, so look into it very well. That suits to the question and then go back to the website and provide them the answer. Okay, by this doing, you are going to make a lot of money online. Please, this channel always provide videos or tutorials that deals with making money online. So if you are interested in making money online, if you are so interested to make money online, if you are searching on Google how to make money online and those stuff, then this channel is yours. Just click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and then if possible you can share it to your friends and your family to also enjoy making money online. Okay, so here is where I'll end this video and we are going to meet on one of the next videos.